Guys, ito po yung Tinbuhay Palengke. Yan po isda namin guys. Ito yung isda namin dito. And then may daing kami guys. Daing to guys. Hey guys, ito yan guys, ito yung shout out guys, Buhay Palengkero. Mukbang. Mukbang ano? Dahil ito Buhay Palengkero guys. Naghihintay tayo ng mga customer. At shout out kung sinong gusto magpa-shout out dyan. Hey man. Hey man. What can I think for you? Bye bye guys. Yun ang hanap buhay namin guys. Thank you. And please subscribe my YouTube channel.